ready for the next adventure. Welcome to another episode of Dust and Diesel Overlanding. We are on our way to the Baviaanskloof. So we have just pulled over the side of the road here, starting to make our way down to the kloof, Baviaanskloof. And tonight we are camping at Doringkloof campsite. We've heard a lot of things in the campsite, very positive, and we're quite excited to see what the fuss is all about. And yeah, excited to be here in this beautiful place. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see where we are. After an eventful day in the Baviaanskloof, we arrived at Doringkloof campsite. We popped the rooftop tent, opened the awning, and prepared for the night's braai. with our day coming to an end, we light the fire and enjoy the peaceful campsite. Good morning. So we have just packed up our camp and we are heading onwards towards the Aru Elephant Park. We spent the night at Doringkloof campsite. Really top class campsite. Give you some pros and cons. Green grass, electricity, running water, hot water, clean ablutions, washing areas, nice bright facilities, a pool which will be ready in a couple of months, I believe. And the negative sides, not a lot really. Monkeys, naughty monkeys all around, and some areas looks like other recently has been under construction, but yeah, other than that, nothing really negative to say. Yeah, it's been a really cold night. It went down to about 3-4 degrees in the morning, and luckily no wind or rain. But yeah, it's really nice here. I love the fact that it's green grass, and yeah, it's a lot of bush, dense bush. We saw some kudu on the way in last night, baboons all around us, and like I said, crazy monkeys. So yeah, next stop will probably be somewhere through the pass, through the kloof, and then we see what's up ahead. And yeah, next stop, Aru Elephant Park. See you there. Cheers. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you out there. Cheers.